would you recommend Compliance Help?
Yes, I would. And I have to say that I think you can do it yourself, but it's a lot of work. And I think that having someone just guide you through a process and also a little bit uncharm the process from a boring, long procedure to something that is actually fun and makes sense, I think that's why you need them. My company is called Avantpage. We are a LSP, which is language service provider, and we work for different US-based governmental and healthcare organizations. So that's our main industry. What we do is translation and localization. Some of our clients want to see us as a certified company, and then they will have this trust in us that we are actually complying with an industry standard as to translation. And US market for healthcare and government is highly regulated market. So it's a way of showing your clients that you're actually the top notch, that you're really involved and mature in your quality processes. We had like a sales pitch demo calls with few companies, and just you guys made the best impression. I think that Compliance Help was all about, as it says, helping the company get where they want to be. It was not strictly about regulations and you have to do all these requirements. We really felt that we were aligned in a way of thinking that these standards will help us be a better company. I think that's how you view it. And we just, aligned in that sense in this vision. So I was working with Lee Baker the whole time. We also had some other calls with other team members, but Lee was definitely managing our project. And it was just a breeze from the beginning to the end, specifically about this vision that I just mentioned, that we were aligned that this is something to help us grow, to help us be a better company, to help us have a better business. And Lee was just guiding us. He would not do the work for us or instead of us. We still need to put in some effort. And the way he guided us, it really made sense for us. It was our rules, our processes, and I have to say, it just seemed easy. I would say that Compliance Help is a good choice because they can tailor the solution for you, right? So they do not have like preset packet that they will sell every company. They will talk to you, they will get to know you, and then they will tell you what they recommend, what's best for you to get ISO certified. Where are you? How close or far are you from meeting the requirements? But I think the most important thing is that it's tailored and it's personal with your company.